So we're into our autumn sale and we've got lots of items that are up to 50% off. One of the bags which is reduced by 40% is this bag here, which is our Citylander. That's been reduced down to £108. Another bag that is reduced is our mini Soho, which is our backpack with straps and a carry handle at the top there. That's 50% off, so that's only £50 and in our sale. Coming along here, one of the travel bags that we've got reduced by 25% is our Weekender, so that's down to £135 in the sale. And then what else have we got that's reduced? Okay, our Ella saddle bag here, that's been reduced by 25% as well. So have a look at the website for the bags that are reduced. There's a whole load of them are reduced in the autumn sale. Looking at travel accessories and accessories generally, our travel wallet has been reduced from £40 down to £20, so that's 50% off. And we've got our passport holder here, which can be customized, the same with a leather travel wallet. That's down to £9.50, so that's also 50% off. Just having a quick look what else we've got. Oh yeah, we've got a refillable journal here. That's also been reduced. That's down to £8.12, so that's been reduced by 35%, and it comes with refillable inserts there. We've got our men's wallet, one of our best-selling wallets. That's down to £18.50. That's at 35% off. So you'll see there's lots and lots of stuff that's been reduced. Have a look at the website and see what's reduced right now and grab yourself a bargain in our autumn sale.